The people of savage caribou, or caribou, in the Arctic has smashed by more than rather than part in the recent too many decades. A new paper on the effect of environment changing in the Arctic show how numbers bring down of nearly 5 millionth to about 2.1 millionth animals. The paper was liberated at the US Geophysics Study Association meet. It show how weather patterns and flora changes are manufacturing the Arctic Finland a lot less than welcoming location for caribou. Caribou and caribou are the identical kind, but the extensive, savage herds in northern Canada and Alaska are called too as caribou. Down there are repeated reasons. We see enlarged dry spell in several areas due to environment heating, and the heating himself leads to a changing of flora. Else really big question is the quantity of insects. Heating pad climates fair indicate more than bugs in the Arctic, told Professor Epstein. It's told how a pleasant day for human beings is a crappy day for caribou. If it's hot and not really blustery, the insects are depressing and these animals expend so lot power each receive the insects off of them or conclusion places wherever they can conceal of insects. Rainfall is a main issue, too much. Enlarged precipitation events in the Arctic, frequently declining on snowland, leads to difficult, iced icy layers cover the gliding Finland, a stratum the animals just cannot shove their noses via in procedure to achieve their meal. At the world scope, the comes downward to reduction carbon sequestration emissions and restrictive heat growth. But scientists say we include outdoor the doorway on the planet's deep freezer and the increasing heap of testimony suggests heating in the Arctic will go on. The aim of the ANSOM study in the area is to know its impacts and find out how to adjust to a changed environment. The paper, drawn up by the U.S. Domestic Oceanography and Air Authority, NOAA, is now in its 13th year and the authority's Arctic Study Program Officer, Emily Osborne, told the area was now an unexplored area. In all the year of publication the paper map, we see the stability of the heating ongoing to install, she told. Or the is helping to excess weather events in another place in the planet. Some key points of the paper turned on.